Moving isn't just about transporting your belongings. It's about adapting to a new culture, understanding local laws, and integrating into a new community. Here are some of the things you'll need to look for. Cultural differences. We have to learn how to adapt to cultural norms and practices. Language barriers. Overcoming communication challenges in a new language can be daunting. Legal requirements. Navigating complex immigration and visa regulations. Emotional adjustment. Coping with the stress and uncertainty of a relocation to an unfamiliar environment. Whether you're moving for work, retirement, or adventure, we're here to help you make the most of your experience. Moving internationally requires extensive experience, comprehensive service, and a dedicated team of professionals. Here are some of the things that we offer. Extensive experience. Our years of handling overseas relocation mean we understand the unique challenges and requirements. 2. Comprehensive services. We cover every aspect of your move, from pre-move consultations to destination services. 3. Expert team. Our experienced professionals provide exceptional service at every stage. 4. Customized moving plans. We create personalized moving plans catered to your needs. 5. Global network. Our extensive network ensures reliable and effective moving services worldwide. And 6. Customer satisfaction. You can check out our testimonials from satisfied customers who have experienced smooth and hassle-free moves with us. Every overseas move is unique, and we're committed to providing customized solutions that cater to your specific needs and preferences.